In this video, we are going to solve this integration problem. We have given integral x times square root of x raised to the power of 4 plus 1 dx. Let's see how to solve. Observe this x raised to the power of 4. This x raised to the power of 4, we can write it as x raised to the power of 2 whole power 2. This 1 we can write it as 1 raised to the power of 2. If we consider x raised to the power of 2 as t, then 2x dx equal to dt. So we have given x dx, isn't it? So x dx. So let's take only x dx, that is equal to dt over 2. So let's convert in terms of t. Integral x dx is nothing but dt over 2. We consider x raised to the power 2 as t. That means x raised to the power of 4 is t power 2. Let's take t power 2 plus 1. Now it is in the form of, we have one of the well-known formula, that is integral square root of x raised to the power of 2 plus a power 2 dx. The formula is x over 2 square root of x square plus a square plus a power 2 over 2 log of x plus square root of x square plus a square, this plus c. This is the formula of this square root of x power 2 plus a power 2. Our expression, here we have square root of t square plus 1 square. Here x value is t and a value is 1. So let's substitute in this formula. And still we have here 1 over 2. So we just take 1 over 2 square root of integral square root of t square plus 1 square dt. Now substitute this. So integral square root of t power 2 plus 1 dx. So according to this formula, we can write this as, here x value is t, a value is 1. So t over 2 square root of t square plus 1 plus a square, which is 1 square, that is 1 over 2 log of t plus square root of t square plus 1 plus c. So now we consider x raised to the power 2 as t. So instead of t, we are going to substitute x power 2. So t as x raised to the power of 2, and here also we have t. Just remove x raised to the power of 2, and here also we have t. Just take x raised to the power of 2, and here also we have t. We just take x raised to the power of 2. Still we have 1 over 2. Let's take 1 over 2 for all. This is the result of this integration.